From 7th of May till the 10th of May, Pakistan tried to attack Indian civilian areas and military targets.
Locations in Pakistan.
But none of the Chinese missiles fired by Pakistan ever made to their targets. All of the missiles and drones were shot down by the S400 missile defense systems. So in this video you will learn that how a S400 system works. The S400 call sign is Triumph. We must comprehend that S400 equipment in order to understand how it functions as a whole system. A typical S400 system consists of 4 parts. Part 1. A launch vehicle with missiles. Part 2. Command and control post located on a vehicle. Part 3. A long-range surveillance radar known as Big Bird acquisition. Part 4. And finally engagement and fire control radar. From here all operations will be managed from the detection of the target through the firing of missiles from the launchers. Let us look at the basic step-by-step process of how this works. Step number 1. Big Bird long-range surveillance radar or LR surveillance radar picks up a target which have been discussed. It can track as many as 300 targets at once. Step number 2. Then passes the information to the command and control station when determining whether a target is friendly or hostile. The command and control center is involved. Additionally, it chooses to engage the target or receives orders from higher command theater to do so. The command and control center orders the launchers to launch the appropriate missile after permission to engage has been granted. Step number 3. These are guided to the target using the engagement radar. The engagement radar and surveillance radar constantly interact with each other to determine the trajectory of the missiles based on the real-time location of the target. Step number 4. The type of missiles are launched depending on the range and type of targets. The system works by launching 2 missiles of the same target. If one missed, the backup missile will do the job. So what kind of missile does launch vehicle carries? These are the 4 missiles of different range and caliber. This is a short range missile of 40 kilometers. This is a medium range missile of 120 kilometers moving forward. This is a long range missile of 250 kilometers. Last but not the least, we have the very long range missile of 400 kilometers. Finally, missile is launched to intercept the target. Here it is J-17 and missile is being guided by engagement radar under step 3. Thus finally eliminating the hostile threat from the sky. Keeping in mind it required 2 missiles to hit a single target as their battle regiment strategy. We produce military geopolitics videos, so smash the like and subscribe button to help produce more content like these.